The business is Krüst Bakery. We are based all over Ireland. Our main site is on Georgia Street. We got another one on Angel Street, and the main site is in Swords. Krüst Bakery, it's a fusion of a sandwich bar, of a coffee shop, and a bakery.
Myself and Rob, we met just after college. We both had the interest in entrepreneurship. And Rob was baking these mini pastries, and I tasted them and said, geez, these are amazing. Why don't we sell them into all the cafes around Ireland? And within 3 weeks, we had 30 cafes, and it just went from there. Currently, we scaled up. We now work with supermarkets nationwide. We supply the likes of Butlers chocolate cafes. We also are a main supplier for Applegreens nationwide, and we supply Supervalus across the country, as far down as Dingle. Krüst Bakery is the fastest growing bakery brand in Ireland. We are supplying the world's famous cronut to the nation, and it's continuing to grow, and we're looking to open 3 more shops this year, and then with a view to franchise globally. That's the plan. So we're aiming high, but we think that there's a future with Krüst Bakery.
So we launched our new catering division. We already supply the likes of Activision, Call of Duty, Google, Facebook, and a few more.
We became the world's first smart bakery. If you look around, everything actually is linked to the internet. Everything from the drinks fridge to the Google Nest, to the music, to the wireless charging under the countertop. So we're trying to add something different. We're the world's first smart bakery. We're saving thousands a year on technology, which is really helping our business.
So the new business online helps a lot. It's way easier to manage. The user interface it's easy to use. The new dashboard, it's a great overview of the entire business. The quick links, that's very handy too, like the quick pay and bulk payments, because you can pay your colleagues all at once. So that's really cool. So it saves time. And we've been using the old business online as well, but obviously we are 2015 and a new user interface has been called for, and that's arrived now, so that's great help. Yeah, the icons are pretty straightforward. You can, even if you can't read, you can guess what it means, so it's very easy to find what you're looking for. I do recommend business online to other startups, big companies. It's easy to use, saves time, and time is money.